Welcome to my channel. So in this video we will see how to delete duplicate from table. हमारे पास एक टेबल है employee and in this table we have name, department and salary. And what we have to do in this table is this John IT salary 60,000 is coming 3 times in this table, whereas this Mary HR salary 55,000 is coming twice. तो हमें इस एम्प्लॉय टेबल से सारे डुप्लीकेट्स रिकॉर्ड्स को डिलीट करना है एंड वी वांट ओनली यूनिक रिकॉर्ड्स दैट इज एलाइज फाइनेंस सैलरी 75,000 एंड बॉब डिपार्टमेंट मार्केटिंग एंड सैलरी 50,000 एंड दिस शुड बी आवर फाइनल आउटपुट. सो लेट्स जंप इनटू आवर सैस एंड लेट्स सी कि हम इस प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. सो वी हैव वन डेटा सेट कॉल्ड एम्प्लॉय and in this employee data set we have name, department, salary and we have some values. Let's run this data set. Now we have to find the duplicate records. So how we can do this is proc sql quit select star comma count of star from employee group by name comma department comma salary. So in this query मैं सारे डेटा को फैच कर रहा हूँ यूजिंग दिस स्टार एंड आई एम ऑल्सो काउंटिंग नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड टू काउंट दिस नंबर ऑफ रोज आई एम यूजिंग दिस ग्रुप बाय नेम डिपार्टमेंट सैलरी. दैट मीन्स अगर इस टेबल में कोई भी डुप्लीकेट रिकॉर्ड है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस फर्स्ट, दिस थर्ड एंड दिस फिफ्थ रो इज डुप्लीकेट, in that case it will combine these three records together and it will show its count as 3 because currently we have 3 duplicate records. So let's run this query and see the result. So now you can see John IT salary 6,000, this count is 3 because we have 3 records of John IT salary 6,000. that means 3 duplicate records है John IT salary 6,000 के. And same like this Mary HR and salary 50,000, count is 4. Let's look into the data again. For this Mary HR salary 55,000, this count is 4. So that is why its count is coming as 4. So now from this table we need only those records जो unique हैं. So we can say that जिनका count 1 आ रहा है, these are the records which are unique. And जिनका count 1 से ज़्यादा आ रहा है, that means this one and this one, इनके duplicates record हैं. So now what we can do is on this entire data set we can filter out this data. And how we can do this is, instead of using this count here, we can take this count and use this count in having count of star equal to 1. So let's run this query. Now if you can see ये यूनिक रिकॉर्ड्स हैं हमारे पास जिनका ऑकरेंस सिर्फ एक बार आ रहा है डेटा सेट में. नाउ व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन क्रिएट टेबल and that table name is same as employee and we are creating this table as this one. So initially we want all the duplicate records to be removed from this data set. Now what we are doing is हम सारे unique records को find out कर रहे हैं and we are again creating this employee table. That means this previous table will get overwritten by this new data and उस new data में सिर्फ unique records रहेंगे. So at the end we will have only unique records in this employee table. So let's run this now, and also to print this table we can write proc sql select star from employee run. So now you can see हमारे पास ये रिजल्ट आ रहा है and if we see this output data, in this we have employee table and initially in the employee table we have all these values but right now we have only unique values present. So this is the way you can solve this problem. So going forward, I will be posting more SAS and interview related questions on this channel. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you.